ओके चलो चलो चलो, रेडी एवरीवन? यस सर। सो रहे हो? नो सर। जग रहे हो? यस सर। नींद में हो? नो सर। पक्का पक्का? यस सर। चलो, कितने बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो ये बोलते कि सर आई कैन ट्रांसलेट एनीथिंग कॉन्फिडेंटली? यस। नाउ वी हैव द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर सिटिंग ओवर हियर एंड एज आई नो दैट you are from Hindi medium, right? Yes sir. So let's see how these Hindi medium students are going to translate the sentence from Hindi to English confidently. Today we have, yes, what's your name?
My name is Mitali Patel.
Mitali Patel. Yes, Mitali, where are you from?
I'm from Malgaon.
You are from Malgaon. Okay, and for how many days you have been coming here?
I have completed 3 months in Persona.
3 months you have completed in Persona.
Yes,
do you think you have improved yourself?
Yes sir, I am improving myself.
You have improved yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me know what you like most, spoken activities or learning grammar?
Spoken activities and grammar also.
You grammar also you like. Recently you have given the 200 marks test.
Yes, sir.
So how many marks do you expect to get?
Above 150.
Above 150. Are you sure that you are going
Yes,
to get
sir.
above 150?
Yes sir.
Okay, let's see. Everyone, we have Mitali Patel from Hindi medium, and we'll see how she's going to translate. A girl from a village is going to translate the sentences confidently. Mitali, I want to know about the tenses, models, PCOIs, narration. You have learnt everything?
Yes sir.
Can I ask you a question based on this?
Yes sir.
Okay. मैंने कहा इंग्लिश बोली जानी चाहिए.
English should be spoken.
इंग्लिश बोली जा सकती है.
English can be spoken.
इंग्लिश बोले जाने की जरूरत है.
English need to be spoken.
इंग्लिश बोली जा रही थी.
English was being spoken.
ओके, सेंटेंसेस बोले जाने चाहिए.
So sentences should be spoken.
मेरे पास टाइम है.
I have time.
ओके, मैं घर पर था.
I was at home.
मैं घर पर था जब आप यहाँ आए.
I was at home when you come here.
When you come or when you came?
When you came here.
ओके, मुझे याद है 2 साल पहले आप इंदौर में थे.
I remembered after 2 years.
No. I remember you were in Indore 2 years ago. 2 years ago. 2 साल पहले मैं इंदौर में नहीं था. 2 साल पहले मैं भोपाल में था.
I was not in Indore 2 years ago. I was in Bhopal.
I was in Bhopal. Okay, आपको पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए.
You should study.
आपको सीखना चाहिए.
You should learn.
आपको सीखने की जरूरत है.
You need to learn.
क्या आप सीख रहे हो?
Are you learning?
क्या पढ़ा रहे हो?
Are you teaching?
क्या पढ़ाते हो?
Do you teach?
क्या आपने पढ़ाया?
Did you teach?
Did you teach? Okay, कल आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you yesterday?
कल मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ मार्केट में थी.
Sir, I was at yesterday with my friends.
I was in the market.
I was in the market yesterday with my friends.
आप वहाँ क्या कर रही थी?
What were you doing there?
मैं कुछ खरीद रही थी.
I was buying something.
I was buying something. Okay, मैं मार्केट जा रही थी.
I was going market.
I was going to market. Okay, and being a student of Hindi medium, today we can see you are able to speaking English confidently.
Well, I would definitely say it's all because of Persona Institute.
Okay.
Because like it has given the platform where I explored myself, where I got to know about each and everything about English and also about other things.
That is the reason you
Yeah.
are speaking confidently, and no doubt, Ruchi, I would say you have been hardworking actually. You know, I remember the day when you joined the institute. You know, the kind of journey that you have gone through. You know, so no doubt you have been hardworking, and that is the reason today you are speaking confidently.
Thanks, sir.
And let's have a rapid fire round.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see how you translate the sentences. Okay, मुझे पढ़ाई करनी
I
है.
have to study.
मैं घर पर नहीं था, मैं मार्केट में
I
था.
was not at home. I was in market.
मैं कुछ कर रहा था.
I was doing something.
मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करने वाला हूँ जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें ऐड करी हैं एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में.
I'm going to submit a project which
in which
I have added many of things about environment.
Okay, क्या आपको नहीं लगता है कि हमें ना प्लांटेशन को प्रमोट करना चाहिए?
Don't you think we should promote plantation?
क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग पेड़ों की कटाई कर रहे हैं और इसके कारण जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट पोल्यूट हो रहा है.
Because somehow we are cutting the trees and because of that our environment is getting polluted.
Okay, इसलिए हमें इसे कंट्रोल करना चाहिए.
That's why we should control it.
Wow, that's great. Clapping for her. Yes. So, can you speak? Do you think that you can speak better than Ruchi?
I can try.
You can try. Okay. From where are you?
I'm from Taglikala.
Taklikala. Okay. And what class exam you have given?
I have given 11th class exam.
11th class exam. Anyway, मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to study.
मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
I'm speaking.
मैं बोलूँगा.
I will
क्या
speak.
बोलोगे?
Will you speak?
Will you speak? क्या पढ़ाओगे?
Will you teach?
क्या पढ़ा सकते हो?
Can you teach?
Can you teach? क्या पढ़ाना चाहते हो?
Do you want to teach?
Do you want to teach? आप क्यों पढ़ाना चाहते हो?
Why do you want to teach?
आप कैसे पढ़ाओगे?
How will you teach?
आप वहाँ कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go
आप यहाँ
there?
कैसे आए?
How did you
आप
come
यहाँ कब
here?
आए?
When did you
क्या आप
come
यहाँ
here?
आना चाहते हो?
Do you want to come
Do
here?
you want to come here? क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो?
Do you want to learn English?
आपने इंग्लिश कैसे सीखी?
How did you learn English?
क्या आप पर्सोना के स्टूडेंट हो?
Are you student of Persona
क्या आप वहाँ जाना चाहते हो?
Do you like to do you
Do you want to go there? आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
आपने क्या किया?
What did you
क्या
do?
बोल रहे हो?
Are you speaking?
क्या आप सब कुछ बोल सकते
Can
हो?
you speak everything?
आई लाइक योर स्पीड. ओके, मुझे जाना है.
I have to.
मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ.
I'm getting late.
सर मेरे पापा नीचे वेट कर रहे हैं, क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ?
Sir, my father waiting in.
माई फादर इज वेटिंग डाउन साइड. कैन आई
Downside, can I
गो?
go?
देखिए अभी आप नहीं जा सकते, आपको 5 मिनट बाद जाना है.
No, you can't go there because you have to.
सी यू कांट गो नाउ, यू हैव
You
टू वेट
can't
फॉर
go
5
here.
मिनट्स. ओके, पढ़ाई करो.
Do study.
सुनो,
Listen.
बोलो.
Speak.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
I'm speaking.
क्या आप बोल रहे हो?
Are you
Are you
speaking?
speaking?
क्या आप सुन रहे हो?
Are you
क्या आपने
listening?
सुना?
Did you
क्या आप
listen?
सुनने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to
क्या आप पढ़ाई
listen?
करने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready
आप
to
कहाँ हो?
study?
आप
Where
कहाँ
are
थी?
you?
क्या
Where were you?
क्या आपका बैग है?
Is this your
क्या आप
bag?
नेहा को जानती हो?
Do you know Neha?
सर मेरा नाम नेहा नहीं है.
Sir, my name is not Neha.
आपका नाम क्या है?
What is your name?
मुझे नहीं पता.
I don't
मुझे
know.
मेरा नाम नहीं पता.
I don't know my
मुझे
name.
बताओ मेरा नाम क्या है?
Tell me what's my name.
Okay, okay, that's great. Clapping. Wow. So Durgesh, I'm very excited to listen you. Are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir, I'm
Okay,
ready.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going.
मुझे जाना है.
Let-
First, let
I
me
have
know
to-
in
I
which
have to
school do you study?
Recently, I have completed my 11th class and I promoted in 12th class.
In which school?
I am from CM Rice.
CM Rice, Anand Nagar.
No, CM Rice, Chegaon Makan.
CM Rice, Chegaon Makan. Is it Hindi medium?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have Hindi medium student. Let's see how he's going to translate. Everyone listen to him. मैं पढ़ाई करता हूँ.
I do study.
I do study, or you can say I study.
I study.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मुझे बोलना है.
I have to speak.
आई डू स्टडी भी नहीं होता, आई डू स्टडीज होता है. स्टडीज इट्स नाउन है ना. अगर आप डू वर्ब लगा रहे हो तो आपको क्या यूज करना है?
I study.
स्टडीज. ओके, मुझे अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना है.
I have to improve myself.
ओके, मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
आई हैव टू गो. मुझे प्रैक्टिस करनी है.
I have to practice.
आई हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए.
You should practice.
यू शुड प्रैक्टिस. आपको यहाँ आना
You
चाहिए.
should come here.
आप यहाँ कब आओगे?
When will you come here?
आप वहाँ कब जाओगे?
When will you go there?
आप वहाँ कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go there?
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
व्हाट डू यू वांट? आप क्या करोगे?
What will you do?
व्हाट विल यू डू? आपको नहीं बोलना है. लेट हिम स्पीक. ओके, मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
आप कब जा रहे थे?
When were you going?
मैं मार्केट जा रहा था कल दोपहर में 2 बजे.
I was going to market yesterday at 2 o'clock
इन नून.
in the noon.
इन द नून. आप मार्केट क्यों जा रहे थे?
Why were you going market?
मुझे कुछ काम था मार्केट में, इसलिए मैं मार्केट जा रहा था.
I had some work. That's why I was going in the market.
Yes, I had some work in the market. That's why I was going to market. आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए.
You should learn English.
आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए.
You should speak English.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए तैयार हूँ.
I am ready to speak English.
मैं पढ़ाने के लिए तैयार
I am
हूँ.
ready to
मैं
teach.
पढ़ाता हूँ.
I teach.
मुझे पढ़ाना पसंद है.
I like to teach.
मुझे बोलना पसंद है.
I like to speak.
आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
What are you speaking?
आप क्या बोलोगी?
What will you speak?
What will you speak? आप क्या पढ़ाओगी?
What will you teach?
आपने क्या पढ़ाया?
What did you teach?
What did you teach? आपने क्या बोला?
What did you speak?
आपने कैसे बोला?
How did you speak?
आप क्या बोलोगी?
What will you speak?
क्या यह आपका सेल फोन है जो मेरे पास है?
Is your cell phone what which I have?
Is this your cell phone which I have? फिर से बोलो.
Is this your cell phone which I have?
मेरे पास कोई सेल फोन नहीं है.
I don't have any cell phone.
मैं बिजी हूँ.
I am busy.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
Let me go. मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ.
I am getting late.
आपको कहाँ जाना है?
Where are you? Where are you?
Where do you have
Where
to
do you have to
go?
go?
Where do you have to go? मुझे मार्केट जाना है.
I have to go to
I
market.
have to go to market. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to study.
आप पढ़ाई क्यों करना चाहते हो?
What do you want to study?
Why do you want to
Why do
study?
you want to study?
आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना चाहते हो?
Why do you want to learn English?
That's great, dear. आपने अच्छी कोशिश करी. We appreciate it. Looking very excited.
Yes, sir.
So Mahak, you think you can speak confidently?
Yes, sir.
Can we have a competition?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Your name is Mahak and your name?
Sir, Kamya Yadav.
Kamya. So we have a competition between Mahak and Kamya, and we'll see who is the best translator. Have it. Yeah. You two have to speak together.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to study.
Louder, louder. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to study.
आपको पढ़ाई क्यों करनी है?
Why do you have to study?
मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है.
I want to become a doctor.
क्यों?
Why?
मेरा है ना बचपन से एक सपना रहा है कि मुझे कुछ करना है मेरी लाइफ में, और फिर मुझे बाद में लगा कि मुझे डॉक्टर बनना चाहिए, इसलिए मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है.
I have a dream from since childhood that
I have had a dream.
I have had a dream since childhood that I want to become a doctor. That's why I am preparing for doctor.
That's why I want to be a doctor. I have had a dream since childhood that I have to do something in my life, and I thought that I should be a doctor, and that's why I have to be a doctor. Okay, डॉक्टर बनने के लिए आपको नीट क्वालिफाई करना पड़ेगा.
You should qualify.
करना पड़ेगा.
You have to qualify NEET. If
You will
want
have to
become
keep.
doctor.
You have to qualify. You will have to qualify NEET exam for being a doctor. You know what? क्या आप नीट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो?
I am preparing for NEET.
Now you have to speak. मुझे जाना है.
I have to
आपको
go.
कहाँ जाना
Where
है?
you
आप
have
कहाँ
to
जा
go?
रही हो?
Where
आप क्या
are you
चाहती हो?
going? What do
आपने
you
क्या
want?
बोला?
What did you
क्या ये
speak?
आपका बैग है?
Is this your
क्या आपके
bag?
पास एक एक्स्ट्रा बैग है?
Do you have extra bag?
डू यू हैव एन एक्स्ट्रा बैग? मेरे पास कोई बैग नहीं
I
है.
don't have any.
मुझे
bag.
पढ़ाई करनी है.
I want to
मुझे
study.
जाना है.
I want
मुझे
to
जाने
go.
दो.
Let
मैं
me
लेट
go.
हो रहा हूँ.
I'm
मैं आपको
getting
जानता
late.
हूँ.
I
आप
know
मुझे
you.
जानते हो.
Do you
आप
know
मुझे
me?
कैसे जानते हो?
How do you
आप
know
कहाँ
me?
थे?
Where were you?
Where were you? Okay, you are from Hindi medium.
Yes, sir.
From which school you are?
I am from Government Higher Secondary School, Ahmedpur, Khegaon.
Ahmedpur Khegaon, and I guarantee that this year in your school you will get you will get the highest marks in English.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, मैं तैयार हूँ.
I'm ready.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm
मुझे
going.
जाने दो.
Let
मैं
me
जा
go.
सकता हूँ.
I
आप
can
कहाँ
go.
दे?
Where were you?
पास द माइक. काम्या, इनसे अच्छा बोलोगे तो जीतोगे.
Yes.
मेरे पास 2 बैग हैं.
I have 2
मुझे
bags.
पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to study.
मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
I can
क्या
speak.
बोलोगे?
What
आप कहाँ थी?
Where were you?
आप क्या चाहती हो?
What do you want?
क्या आप इस क्लास के स्टूडेंट हो?
Are you student in this class?
आर यू स्टूडेंट ऑफ दिस क्लास? मैं इस क्लास के स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ.
I am not a student
मैं
of this
उस
class.
क्लास के स्टूडेंट हूँ.
I am a student of this class.
दैट
of that
क्लास. आई एम नॉट स्टूडेंट ऑफ दिस क्लास. आई एम
I'm a
स्टूडेंट ऑफ
student
दैट
of
क्लास.
that.
मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी
I
है.
have to
आपको
study.
पढ़ाई क्यों करनी है?
Why do you have to study?
Why do you have to study? आपको यहाँ क्यों आना है?
Why do you
आप
have
यहाँ
to
क्यों
come
आ रहे
here?
हो?
Why are you
आप यहाँ
coming
कैसे
here?
आओगे?
How do
आप
you
यहाँ कब
come here?
आओगे?
When
आप
do
यहाँ
you
कब आ
come
सकते हो?
here?
क्या
When
आपके
can
पास
you come
समय है?
here?
क्या आपके पास
You
यहाँ
have
आने के लिए
time.
समय है?
You have a time for coming
Do you
here?
have time to come here? क्या कहोगे इंग्लिश
Do
में?
you have to
Do
come?
you have time to come here? मुझे अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना है.
I have to improve myself.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm
आप
going.
कहाँ दें?
Where
आप
were
क्या
you?
चाहते हो?
What do you
क्या
want?
आपने बोला जो मैंने सुना?
Do you speak what?
क्या आपने बोला जो मैंने सुना?
Did you speak what I listened?
Did you spoke what I listened? मैं नहीं सुन पाया जो आपने बोला.
I am unable to listen.
मैं
what
नहीं
you-
सुन पाया जो आपने बोला.
I am unable to listen what you.
I was unable to listen. I
what you-
couldn't listen what you spoke. आप क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं बोल रहा था?
What you did?
आप क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं बोल रहा था?
What did you?
What were you doing when I was speaking? जब आप बोल रहे थे मैं कुछ कर रही थी.
When are you?
When you were speaking, while you were speaking, I was
I
doing
was doing
something.
something.
क्या मैं जान सकता हूँ आप क्या कर रहे थे?
Can I know what are you doing?
Can I
What
know?
were-
May I know what
What were you doing?
were you doing?